Welcome back to C Note Music Company. I'm Cedric Braden. I'll be your instructor today. Today we have Juice WRLD, the song Lucid Dreams in the key of A. So you know we always start out with the scale. We talk numbers. We don't really talk notes. So let's get started. We're going to start with the 1, which is A, the 2, which is B, C sharp, which is 3, D, which is 4, E, which is 5, F sharp, which is 6, G sharp, which is 7, and A, which is 1. All right, let's play through it. Got a little drum beat for you as well. So that's how you play it. All right, let's get started with the tutorial. Let's get started. All right, so starting off in our left hand, we're gonna start on the 6 to the 5 to the 4 to the 3. Then we're gonna repeat that same thing. 6, 5, 4, 3, and then we're gonna 4, 4, 1. And then we're back to the 3, 3, and then 4, 3, 6, 1. All right. So let's go through it one more time. 6, 5, 4, 3. You'll do that twice. All right. And then you're back to the 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, and then 4, 3, 6, 1. All right, and so let's go start with the right hand now. So we're starting on the 6. So your right hand is going to be saying 1. So you'll be 1, 3, 1. So 1, 3, 1, and then we're gonna move to the 5, and then we're gonna play 7, 2, 7, and then 4. We're gonna play 6, 1, 6, 3. Right here you're gonna play 6, 1, 6, 1, and then 7, flat 6. So that one will go, so the whole thing will be like. All right, so moving on. So you're going to do that twice. Next, you're gonna go to the 4 again, and you're gonna play 6, 1, 6, 1, 6. So 6, 1, 6, 1, 6. So 1, 6, 1, 6, and then to the 1. All right, and then here you're playing the 5 and the 1. I'm sorry, the 5 and the 3. So you'll play 5, 3, 4, 3. So it'll be like. Alright, so there in your left hand you're playing the 3. In your right hand you're playing the flat 6, 7, 2, and the 3. So then you're right here, you're gonna play. You're on the 4 in your left hand, and in your right hand you're gonna play 1, 3, 6, And you're gonna take this finger here and move. So playing the same thing. Left hand 4, right hand 1, 3, 6, 5, 4. Alright, so we're going back to the same chord we had played before when we played the 3. 3 in the left hand, right hand flat 6, 7, 2, and 3. So alright, right here we're playing the 6 in the left hand. The right hand we're playing the 5. We'll play the 5, the 1, and the 3. And then we'll move our left hand to the 1. And we'll play in our right hand. We'll play 5, 7, 3. That's the whole song.